Help support our coverage with a free account on Privacy, the service that keeps your bank information private when shopping online. Get $5 right now to try the service at plughitzlive.com/privacy.
Hi, Danielle here at PLUGHITZ Live. We're at CES 2019 and I'm at the Shure booth. Can you please introduce yourself for me?
I'm James. I work with Shure. We've been around since 1925. We specialize in microphones, wireless in-ear monitors, some conferencing solutions, and listening, and high fidelity like audiophile products as well.
Awesome. And what are you showcasing here this year?
Today we're showing off the newest addition to our Motive line. It's the MV88 Plus. It's a stereo microphone that plugs directly into your iOS or Android device. We have a couple apps. We have an audio recording app. It's called the Shure Motive Audio App, and we can record and edit within the software. And we also have a video app that you can also adjust all the parameters of the microphone, set like resolution of the camera you're using. You can change all kinds of parameters like the sample rate of the audio file type, and also I think we covered it there. Yeah. So the parameters of the microphone, you can go in, change like it's a stereo by default. You can adjust the width of how wide or narrow of the area you're trying to cover. You can change it to cardioid or bidirectional or raw mid-side. There's also EQ, limiter, compressor, and all that built in. We have some quick EQ presets as well.
Awesome. Let's step through the app. Can you show me how it works?
Sure, I can. Here. So if we look right here, this is the video app, so we'll start there. Right when you plug the phone in, it'll automatically take over your phone or your mobile device as the default microphone. It looks like this. Right when you open it up, you'll see a couple of meters over here, so you see both your left and right coming in from the microphone. We can change our frame rate of the video. We have a couple tools to make sure you're level. There's the resolution, the sample rate of the audio file type. We switch just by tapping it. If I need to adjust the mic gain on the fly, I click just these meters over here and adjust it there. Or if I want to dive deep into the audio settings, I come here and we have mic gain. I have different EQ presets for like voice only speech applications, music, you're recording your guitar or you're at a concert or something. We have the polar pattern. So like I was saying earlier, we can adjust how wide or narrow we want that to be, or cardioid or bidirectional, and it changes instantly.
That's so cool.
I know. It's one of my favorites. Okay, limiter, compressor, high pass filter built right in, and a quick EQ if you like to tweak everything yourself.
That's awesome. And so since this is your own application, do we have to use that when we're using the device?
No, everything you change there is retained in the microphone. So we could use that just to set up the parameters, and you can use whatever app you want. You can use the default app. You can use a streaming app. It's up to you.
Okay. And are these two the same microphone?
Yeah, so this is what it looks like without a windscreen. If you look, you can see that there's two elements in here. There's a cardioid element and a bidirectional condenser element. So you get a nice flat 20 kilohertz frequency response. And with those two elements and some DSP, we can do all those cool settings.
I noticed this one doesn't have the phone holder. So can you just like adjust it as you go?
Yeah, so if you don't need to do video, just want to do audio, you can use just the stand it comes with, clip it right there. If you have your own accessories, it has the standard threading on it, and use whatever tripod you want.
Is this available now?
Yes, we just launched it on Tuesday. It's available on one of our dealers. If you check out our website, www.shure.com, it'll point you in the right direction.
And what all comes with this package?
Okay, so it comes with the stand. It comes with this phone mount, which has a shoe mount on top for the clip. It comes with a microphone. It comes with a cable with a lightning connection, and it comes with a cable with a USB-C connection for Android, and this cool little like chef bag. You throw everything in there, roll it up, toss it in your bag, and you're good to go.
What are the price points on these?
So the whole kit is for $249.
And a little bonus interview. I noticed you gave me one of these microphones. Can you tell me a little bit about it?
Yeah, so this is the KSM8. It's nickel plated. It is a dual diaphragm microphone. So brand new technology for us. It's dynamic, but it has a really wide frequency response and pretty flat. So it sounds almost like a condenser. And the way it's designed in the capsule, things like proximity effect, which you would usually encounter with a directional dynamic microphone, you don't have to worry about as much. So the sweet spot is much bigger for vocalists and anyone who's speaking.
And what do these retail for?
This microphone is $4.99.
Also available now?
Yes.
All right. Where can our viewers go one more time to learn more about all of your products?
Go to www.shure.com, select your country, and everything's there.
Perfect. Thank you so much for taking the time to speak with me today.
You're welcome.
For continuing CES 2019 coverage, stay tuned to plughitzlive.com/CES.